Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's end-of-day world currencies, stock markets and commodities wrap-up for Wednesday, March 12th, 2025. Kicking things off, I'm Victoria Cashmore. Looking at key currency pairs, the greenback showed mixed performance. Against the euro, it strengthened slightly, while weakening against the British pound for a second consecutive day. The dollar notably broke upward against the yen after 3 days of flat trading. Month-to-date returns show broad weakness in the US dollar, particularly against the euro, down 4.7%, and the sterling, declining 3%. Year-to-date, the greenback has fallen most sharply versus the yen, dropping 5.7%. The US dollar declined 0.46% against the Canadian dollar, despite maintaining a strong positive trend. Against the offshore yuan and Singapore dollar, prices remained relatively flat, while breaking downward versus the kiwi. Looking at broader returns, the dollar has shown particular weakness against the Singapore dollar, down 2.4% year-to-date. Notably, it's maintained strength against the Indian rupee, posting a positive 1.9% return for the year despite recent flat trading.
Looking at global stock market tracking ETFs, I'm Max Profit. Indonesia led gains, rising 2.4% to 16.87, despite showing a very strong negative trend. Israel and South Korea both advanced 2.3%, while Japan climbed 1.8% with a strong positive trend. Turkey broke out of a 3-day consolidation, gaining 1.5%. Looking at returns, Indonesia shows strong month-to-date gains of 5.7% despite being down 8.7% year-to-date. South Korea maintains positive momentum across all time frames, notably up 9.9% year-to-date. Turkey has impressed with a 9.7% month-to-date return. Among declining markets, Thailand fell 2.3% to 52.10, hitting a new all-time low close with strong negative momentum. Malaysia dropped 2.2%, marking its 5th consecutive down day with significant downward volatility. Finland, Spain, and China showed modest declines despite maintaining strong positive trends. Return analysis shows Thailand struggling with a minus 13.8% year-to-date return. Malaysia is down 8% year-to-date. Despite today's declines, Finland, Spain, and China maintain strong year-to-date gains of 16.9%, 19%, and 18.7% respectively.
Considering commodities, I'm Liquidity. Gold futures at 2,940.40, up 19.50, shows a very strong upward trend after breaking out of a sideways pattern. Silver futures and copper futures both gained 1.6%, with copper displaying strong upward volatility. Palladium futures remains in an 8-day consolidation pattern despite its strong negative trend. Year-to-date returns show copper futures leading with a 20.3% gain, followed by silver futures at 15.2%. Gold futures has risen 11.3%. Month-to-date, silver leads with nearly 7% gains, while palladium shows almost 6% growth. In energy markets, natural gas futures plunged 8.5% to 4.7, breaking down from recent sideways movement. Crude oil futures and gasoline futures both rose 2.1%. Brent crude and heating oil remain in tight trading ranges despite strong negative trends. Looking at returns, natural gas leads year-to-date with a 12% gain despite today's sharp decline. Gasoline futures follows with 7% growth. Month-to-date, natural gas has gained 6.2%, while other energy futures show negative returns ranging from -3% to -4.7%. Feeder cattle futures extended its winning streak to 4 days, rising 1% to 280.25. Live cattle futures gained 0.92% with some upward volatility. Lean hogs broke down from sideways movement, while Class 2I milk continues its strong negative trend. Year-to-date, livestock futures show mixed performance. Feeder cattle and lean hogs lead with gains over 6%. Live cattle has risen 5.1%, while Class 2I milk has declined 9.3%. In grains, soybean futures extended their losing streak to 5 consecutive days, dropping 1% to 1,000.50. Rough rice fell 0.93%. Corn and wheat remain in tight trading ranges with mixed negative trends. Year-to-date, oat futures lead grains with an 11.4% gain, despite recent weakness. Corn and wheat show modest gains around 2.5%. Soybeans are down nearly 1%, while rough rice has declined 1.8%. Mixed performance in soft commodities today. Coffee futures fell 1.8% to 386.45, showing mixed positive trend. Orange juice dropped notably by 2.9% to 270.25, marking its third consecutive down day and a new one-year low. Cotton futures broke out of its recent consolidation, rising 1.5%. Looking at returns, orange juice shows significant weakness with a negative 44.9% year-to-date return. Coffee futures leads the group with a positive 20.9% year-to-date return. Cocoa has declined 28.6% year-to-date, while showing particular weakness this month with an 8.7% decline.
And with that, we conclude another end-of-day world currency, markets and commodities wrap-up. I'm Victoria Cashmore, along with my AI co-hosts Max Profit and Liquidity. Thanks for watching. Look for daily wrap-ups every day just after 5 p.m. New York time. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check into the channel daily for coverage of stocks, crypto, currency, and commodities. Thanks for watching.